Welcome to the instructional video for adding a YouTube video in Google Classroom. So as you can see, I already have my Google Classroom pulled up. I am under classwork, and I have already went ahead and added a title called Video Tutorial for Google Class. And so when I create either an assignment or material, that information will show right here. So let's go ahead and get started. So first of all, we'll go ahead and click on Create. And like I said, we can either choose to make an assignment, question, material, or reuse a post. We're going to go ahead and use material. It's not really an assignment. This is more of an instructional video. So I'm going to go ahead and create material. And here you can see it's for all of my students. I'm going to type in a title. My title might be something to the effect of instructional video for adding a YouTube video in Google Classroom. If I would like, I can certainly add a description. So my description might be something to the effect of, please view the following instructional video to learn how to add a YouTube video to Google Classroom. And then I can go ahead and select my topic. And the topic that I would like to use, as I had mentioned earlier, was that video tutorial for the Google class. So now I'm ready to go ahead and add in my YouTube video. To do this, right down here towards the lower left-hand corner, you will notice a button that says, once we click it, it's for inserting a YouTube video. So we can do this one of two ways. We can do a video search where we type in the name of that video, or we can click on the URL link, and if we happen to have that, which I do, we can go ahead and paste that information in. So like I said, I already had the link, so I go ahead and paste the link in. It brings up my video. You can see the video right here. If everything looks correct, we'll go ahead and click on Add. And once we do that, you can see I now have my title, I have my description, I have my topic, and I have my video here. And you can see my video is about the gratitude experiment, and it's going to be approximately 4 minutes long. So if everything looks good, you can see I've got some options down here. My options are to post, to schedule, or save the draft. I'm going to go ahead and post this. So once we click on the post, it runs through the process, and here we go. I have that information right here. So now if I go ahead and click on this, you can see, indeed, I have my information. Please view the following instructional video to learn how to add a YouTube video to Google Classroom, and here's my video. And so with that, if I would like to, I can certainly view the material, or I'm ready to go and click on my link and to actually view the gratitude experiment video. Hope this helps with adding a YouTube video into Google Classroom, and thank you for watching.